Hi everyone, my name is Jeff, and for those of you that don't know, I am your steady pace trainer. Today's video is a very important one because I'm going to show you how to properly stretch so you can reduce the effects of foot drop. And this stretch goes really well with the exercises that we executed last week to help reduce your foot drop. So if you want to go back and execute those exercises, we're going to include a link in the description box so you can have both of them. Okay, before we get started today, I'd like to announce that Steady Pace instructor Jacqueline is going to host a free live workout class on this YouTube channel. The free live workout class will take place on Thursday, September 21st at 11 a.m. US Central Time or 12 p.m. US Eastern Time. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you can be notified whenever she goes live. You can also subscribe to our newsletter so we can literally just send you some links directly through your email if you'd like it to be more convenient for you. Let's execute the toe or foot flexion stretch. You're going to gain access to your foot by crossing the leg and having the ankle just on the outside of the thigh. If you're not able to get yourself into this position, the two alternatives would be to cross the leg and foot across the shin. That way you don't have to gain any flexion in the hip and knee, and or leave foot on the floor and gain access to the foot toes from that position. If you are able to cross as I am here, as you can see, you want to remove sock, shoes so that you have access to the foot. The stretch is going to begin by applying pressure on the toes and top of foot and gaining flexion. A bit of internal rotation to the ankle. You will feel a lengthening on the top of the foot and maybe even some into the ankle and the anterior tibialis. You are going to hold this stretch in a comfortable stretch for 45 to 60 seconds. You don't want to over torque or add too much tension onto the ankle, especially if there's desensitized nerves in the area, because you could create damage or stress on the joint unnecessarily. You're going to execute this, again, as I mentioned, for 45 to 60 seconds. Slowly ease off, head back in, and feel free to execute this 2 to 3 times and or multiple times throughout the day to help reduce the tightness and spasticity in the anterior top of that foot and the anterior tibialis ankle area. Let's now execute the anterior tibialis stretch. You're going to be doing this from a seated position. As you can see, you want to take sock, shoe off. We're going to take the leg that we're stretching straight back. You're going to point toe, and understand that if you aren't able to extend ankle, do not force the stretch. You simply take what the body allows you to have. By extending foot and getting toes to ground, rotating slightly out with ankle leg, you should immediately feel stretch on not only the front of the ankle, but into the anterior tibialis. If you'd like more of a stretch, you can always apply slight pressure to the back. You should definitely feel the anterior tibialis in the front engaging and stretching. Feel free to hold this stretch for 45 seconds to a minute. Ease out, head back in. You can always execute these stretches 2-3 times in a sitting and or multiple times throughout the day to help reduce that tightness into that anterior tibialis and ankle area. Feel free to utilize these stretches on a daily basis. If you are going to execute them on your strength training days, make sure that you're executing them after your strength training or several hours before prior to the strength training itself. They can be executed multiple times throughout the day. A lot of practitioners suggest doing so in the morning, midday, and in the evening to get blood flow back to the tissue and lengthen things out. In order to truly maximize reducing your foot drop, these stretches are to be used in conjunction with your strength training exercises, which we have given to you. And if you weren't aware, we've provided a link in the description box so that you can combine the two and execute to the best. Take the time to execute these stretches and exercises on both legs. You're more than likely dealing with foot drop on one particular side more than the other, but it's important to make sure that you're exercising and stretching the tissue of both legs so you can maximize your strength and thus your functional ability. Hi, it's me, Jeff Gotte, and I'm excited to announce that we are now accepting registrants for the free Foot Drop Immersive Workshop class of October 2023. The free Foot Drop Immersive Workshop is a 5-day steady pace exercise plan where you're going to receive daily workouts, movements, stretches, and much more that will help you reduce your foot drop and improve your ankle stability. In addition, you're also going to be invited to join live Q&As with me and the team, live workout classes, and so much more to help keep you motivated along the way. The Foot Drop Immersive Workshop takes place from Sunday, October 1st to Thursday, October 5th, 2023. So make sure that you sign up before then. This is the last time that we're going to be hosting a Foot Drop Immersive Workshop for the entire year. So make sure that you take advantage of this, sign up before Sunday, October 1st, so that you will not be left out. Do not feel like you cannot do this. Whether it's disability from MS, Parkinson's, fibromyalgia, you're recovering from a stroke or surgery, whatever it may be that has caused your foot drop, we are going to help you not only improve your strength, but we're going to decrease the effects of that foot drop, okay? Since 2017, our steady pace exercise technique has transformed the lives of thousands of people, and this workshop is your opportunity to experience it yourself. I'll see you soon. Our YouTube channel is a great place to start gaining strength, but if you want to get serious about reducing your symptoms and getting results, then you need to be on a weekly structured strength training program with other individuals just like you. And that's exactly what we offer at MS Workouts through our membership. Click the link in the video or below the video to learn how our membership can help you achieve your goals. And while you're on the website, make sure you sign up for the no-cost 7-day strength camp so you can experience how we can help you do the things that you love to do with more confidence. See you all next week.